Now I'm just going to come over and I'll whiz through the European indices. The DAX is coming up to that 123.6 figure that I gave you this morning in the morning update. We've missed it and we're starting to come off. If it can push up one more time, great. But the day trading has not been as profitable today in the DAX and the FTSE. So if you looked at and watched the trading view charts and indicators, it gave you the clue not to go long at the blue line at the top. I personally didn't short it either. I stayed out of it this morning. It's just consolidated, broken out recently, and it's pulling back again now. But I'd like to see it one more step higher. Then we should get quite a deep four down towards the 11,400, 11,328 region, and then a push up to 11,863 or higher. That would give us a diagonal off the bottom in the German DAX. FTSE, it's not the prettiest count, but again, 1, 2, 1, 2, depends whether it's going to accelerate up here, or if it just pushes up to this 1.0 extension at 72.22 and then starts to pull back. As long as we're over 69.83, then that would indicate the FTSE is going to give us a diagonal to the upside as well.